Nowadays, $1,000 in your bank account wouldn't really last long. If you wish to live a life comfortably, you must establish an effective saving practice to save more money. Saving is, in fact, something the rich are experts of. Most people don't know how the rich effectively save their money, but don't you worry. That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Hi, welcome to Grayson Finance. Today, I'm going to share with you secret saving tips in 2022 to help you save more money efficiently. In America, there's a variety of financial prosperity for its citizens. However, 20% of Americans have less than $1,000 in their bank account. It is recommended to have at least a year's worth of living expenses in your savings account as a safety net for unpredictable circumstances in the future. With less than $1,000 left for 20% of Americans, they are not in the position of maintaining proper financial well-being. There are various reasons why people are not able to save their money. Most of the common reasons are they are paying off debt, they don't prioritize savings, their earnings are not enough for saving, and they can't cover their bills. At the same time, salaries are decreasing and the cost of living expenses increase. This means that little to no money is left for the average person. On the other hand, 10% of American households have just a little under $1 million in their bank account, which serves as a good safety net for them to fall back on. You must be wondering, how these people can save that much money? Well, most of these people have their hands on simple saving techniques that many don't know about. We're here to show you. One saving technique that is very effective to a lot of rich people is called the two-income savings technique. In this technique, you will need to have two sources of income. One source of income should be allocated to pay for your living expenses, and the other strictly for savings. This habit is very recommended because if it gets engraved in you as a mindset, you will be able to value saving more money even when you get rich in the future. With two-income saving, you may opt to work a 9-to-5 job and work another part-time job or side hustle for your second stream of income. Your 9-to-5 salary should be allocated to your living expenses, while your side job salary should go entirely to your savings. This doesn't mean, however, that you will need to spend everything on your 9-to-5 job salary for living expenses. You should still budget your living expenses salary with savings in mind. The 20-30-50 method does just this. 50% of your 9-to-5 job salary should be allocated to your living expenses. 30% of the budget should be allocated to entertainment or leisure. And the last 20% should go directly to your savings. With this 20% budget from the 9-to-5 job income and the entire salary of the second source of income allocated for the savings account, you'll have fast-growing savings in your bank account in no time. However, not all people have two sources of income. That's why today, I'm gonna suggest 3 choices of possible sources of income you can have to speed up the process of making your savings grow. Number 1. Freelance work. In freelance work, you have the liberty to choose your client, and the time of accepting jobs is flexible, depending on your availability. This job will also give you the freedom to choose projects that you genuinely want to work on. Thus, you'll feel more motivated to do the job as you're not forcing yourself to finish tasks you don't even like or wouldn't choose for yourself. The liberty to choose projects you genuinely like makes the workload you accept feel more like something you enjoy rather than something you merely need to do. If by any chance you think that you're unable to get a freelance job because you don't have any services to offer, always remember that everyone possesses at least some skills that they can use to earn money. All you need to do is to find out what these skills are. To identify these skills, list at least 10 skills that you're able to do proficiently and find out if this is something people would pay you for. Post them on a freelance website at a reasonable price, and if more people hire your service with these skills, then proceed to charge more for them. Now, it is normal to have very few to no clients when you're just starting out. But one tip to boom the services you offer is first, offer it for free, or at least the minimum to help you get that work done, until you build a relationship that is strong enough with your clients. With this strong relationship, they will then hire you more consistently and pointing you in the direction of more clients. Number 2. Online business. Another source of money for your two-income savings technique is starting an online business. An online business would be perfect for a long-time stream of income and a steady one at that. The online business you can start can revolve around just about anything, from physical products to coaching in an area of your expertise. Building an online business, however, is not an easy task to do. You will need to establish an audience for your products, get successful launching, and handle traffic that you may experience at the beginning of your journey. Always remember to be equipped with patience and determination to overcome anything that may be thrown at you while starting this business. While freelancing can be considered as an active income, most online businesses can be considered passive, which means you have little ongoing work most of the time. An excellent example of a passive income online business is a blog. In blogs, you can hire a content writer to write and publish content for you. Over time, you will be able to begin earning ad revenue and sponsored posts income through your website. This business would happen without you exerting that much effort. Lastly, at number 3, a second job. If you want to grow your savings to be able to get a good financial safety net, then a second job can be the perfect secondary source of income for you. With a second job, unlike the previous 2 sources of income, you will be able to earn money fast. The first 2 sources of income may take a lot of your time before you can be able to earn money from them. Getting another job, on the other hand, will mean that you won't need to wait before earning. You may be worried, however, about juggling 2 jobs at the same time, but you don't need to spend a big amount of your time on your second job until your savings begin to grow. For example, a job that pays $15 an hour within an 8-hour shift weekly means that you will get $480 every month, or $5,760 annually. With this amount of money, you'll be able to grow your savings quickly while not straining yourself too much from juggling 2 jobs. All 3 of these methods of earning more money are only a few examples of 100 more ways that you can research on the internet. You wouldn't want a future or a present scenario of you struggling to pay off all your bills. Implementing the 2-way income technique in your life would create an avenue to earn more money for saving and make you more assured of your future with the money you have in the bank. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you posted on new helpful videos.